Hello, friends, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 7 proven steps to identify and land your dream job. Before we jump into the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos. Now, let's get started. Finding your dream job involves a strategic approach. Follow these 7 steps to identify and secure a position that aligns with your career aspirations and passions. 1. Self-assessment. Understanding what you truly want helps in targeting roles that match your personal and professional desires. 2. Research the market. Conduct extensive research on industries and companies that align with your interests. 3. Create a targeted resume. Customize your resume for each application to address specific job requirements and stand out to employers. 4. Network effectively. Leverage your professional network to uncover job opportunities. Attend industry events, join relevant groups, and connect with individuals who can provide insights or referrals. 5. Prepare for interviews. Practice common interview questions and develop compelling narratives about your experiences. Demonstrate how your skills and goals align with the job and company. 6. Apply strategically. Apply for roles that genuinely interest you and match your qualifications. Focus on positions where you can make a significant impact and grow professionally. 7. Follow up. After interviews or networking events, send personalized follow-up messages. Express gratitude and reiterate your interest in the role, maintaining a positive impression with potential employers. Conclusion: by implementing these steps, you can effectively identify and secure a job that fulfills your career ambitions. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.